What's up, my Israelis and my Israelinettes? It's your boy Izreal3345 coming back at you with another video. Yeah, what's good with y'all? Yeah, got a good one for you today. I'm pretty sure we all been here before. We go to do some shit and, and we make a mistake. We arc the battery and blow some fuses out, right? Right. So, yeah, we all been there. So let me show y'all what happened to me that brought me to this place right here. The reason why I got my fuse box all taken apart, and blah, blah, blah. Excuse me, y'all. There we go. But my alternator, this whole time when I did that water pump, this whole time, because right before I did the water pump, I had just replaced the alternator. So when I replaced the alternator, it wasn't all the way fixed. So this whole time, that noise that I was hearing was coming from the fucking alternator and not the water pump. So I changed the water pump for no reason. Okay, it brings me to this right here. I changed the alternator, I got it fixed, blah, 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 I got it fixed. So I went to put it back in, I forgot I had the battery connected still from locking the car up after I was, whatever. Forgot to unhook the battery the second time, right? So I arced the wire, this one right here, I arced it, right? So it blew out the fusible link. This is the fusible link that's connected to the alternator, and this is how you replace it. I'm gonna show y'all. Okay. Y'all know it's gonna be in there all nice and pretty, right? All nice and pretty up against the wall, blah blah blah, with this cover on it. Right, with this cover on it, sort of something like that, right? Take this cover off. You don't know how to take that cover off, you probably don't need to be doing this job. Okay, to replace this fusible link right here, this blue one. Okay, you gotta take the battery out because there's a 10mm bolt down there that you gotta get to. That's right up under this battery cover right here. See it right there? That's it right there, right? It's holding this onto the car. All right, gotta get that one. There's one right here, and there's one right there. Simple, right? Right. And then there's a little tab right there. This little button tab. Just take a screwdriver and pop it right off. Pop it right out of the hole. And then you're gonna lean it over like this, right? Then you're gonna have the bottom part. The bottom part is gonna be connected. To get the bottom part off, there's just tabs holding it on. There's just tabs all the way around. You see one right there? There's a tab right there. There's one right there. There's one there. So on and so forth, all the way around it, right? Just take a little screwdriver, pop those tabs, and it comes apart. The bottom half comes off, right? Then you gotta take this part right here because you gotta get to the screws that's behind here. All right? So you gotta take this part. Hey, what's up? How you doing? That's what's up. I know that's right.
And then they get out early, like right now.
Yeah.
Rush.
Yeah. Yep. But yeah, okay. Back to the story. Gotta get to the screws that's behind here. So you gotta take this part off. This part got a little clip right down in there. Just take your screwdriver, push it that way, and this part pulls up. And there's another one over here on this side, which is right down in there. You pull the clip that way and pull the box up, like so. Look, the box gonna slide up out of there like that, bam. Okay, I'm gonna take the box, I'm gonna swing it back. I'm gonna swing it back there. Let me move this out the way real quick. There we go. I'm gonna take the box and just move it back out the way like that. You see that there? Okay, now we got this little tab right here. It's gonna be holding these wires up, right? So you just pop it open. Let me see if I can get this with one hand. He wants to be an asshole. But anyway, fucking A. Hold on, y'all. Let me get this tab open. Y'all gotta see this. Okay, there we go. All right, y'all. Here we go. Look. See this little tab here? It's gonna be like that, right? Holding these wires. Pop it down like that. You gotta pop it open. Got a little tab on both sides. Just pop it open. The door gonna hang down. You just start pulling it. You pull it down like that to reveal that screw right there. And there's another one right here. See that? It's a whole little tab piece right here. Revealing this screw and that screw right there. It's 10 mil. Or you can use a Phillips head screwdriver. I would use a 10 mil. I would use a 10 mil on something like this. Yes, sir. But yeah, that's basically it. You take those out, take those two out, and it just comes straight up out of the holder like that. Right? You replace it. I already did mine. I'm in the process of putting it back together. So the same way you took it apart, you put it back together. Put those wires back in there. Close that case. Clip that back up in there like that. Bam. Take this. Slide this back down on there. Like so. Bam. Take the bottom. Take the bottom. Feed those wires through there like that. Just start clipping the bottom back on. Yep, it's almost on. Just gotta line it up a little bit. Y'all see where I'm going with it. And it's almost back together. Just gotta line the box up. I'm gonna need both my hands to line this box up so I get right back with y'all when I line that box up, snap all the clips back in. All right, I'll get right back with y'all. All right, guys, we are back. I think I missed a step. Well, I actually didn't because I was only telling y'all about this blue fusible link right here. Now, if you want to know about the other one, it's pretty simple. You unscrew this 10 mil bolt right here on top, right? And this whole, nobody never says this, but this whole little piece right here, it slides up out of there like that. As soon as you take this 10 mil bolt off, it slides up, right? That way you can take this right up out of it like that. It don't have no bolts behind here. It just has this one right here. That's it. So there you go. So, but yeah, we got all our bolts back in. We're about to tighten them down, right? I got hair in my mouth. All right, first one right here. There we go. You don't need to go crazy on it. Okay, just need to snug it down, and you're good to go. Now it's time to put the battery back in. I can go ahead and cover this up. That job's done. Simple as that. That job's done. Now don't arc the battery on the new one, right? Ding dong. Right. Right. Don't arc the battery on the new one. Yeah. Otherwise you'll really be a ding dong. But okay guys, that's it for that job. If you learned something, hit that like button. You know what I'm saying? Share the video. You know, y'all know the drill. You know, I really don't always say that, but y'all know the drill, man. Get a thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up, man, if you like what your boy Izreal doing. You know what I'm saying? Hit that thumbs up so my videos can get out in the algorithm just like everybody else's. You know what I'm saying? All right, peace.